MLL Telecom are a licensed UK telecoms operator, and we specialise in providing networks for other operators and mobile operators in particular, and for the public sector in the UK. The way we work at MLL is very much about thinking around the whole network design and optimising that design. So for us, the most important aspect is to choose the right technology for the right job. In the transmission space, that might be radio, it might be fibre optics, it might be Ethernet first mile over copper. And in terms of the underlying technology, again, that might be MPLS technology from Juniper Networks, or it might be zone technology on the access side of the network. But we're not wedded to any one technology. It's very much around bringing together that best-of-breed combination to deliver the right network for our customers. So we needed to deploy a county-wide network for the public sector, and the requirements on it were quite robust. We needed to deploy multiple virtual private networks, VPNs. It needed to be secure, and above anything else, it needed to be highly scalable to take them beyond the congested network that they had when we started the project. So what we got from Imtech ICT was a number of key technologies. In the core, we used very scalable MPLS switching based on the same kind of fabric that is used in major telco networks around the world. And that could deliver us the separation of VPNs, could deliver us quality of service, and it delivered us the scalability to run right up to a 10 gigabit fiber core in the future. In the access layer, we used EFM technology from Zone, again provided by Imtech, which gave us an extremely cost-effective and robust way of reaching many hundreds of smaller schools, typically at 10 megabits per second, using the existing copper telephone infrastructure that's already in the ground. And then finally, certainly a critical element for us was a single piece of CPE, the Juniper SRX, which we could deploy right down at the small primary schools, but scaled up to the large council offices. So giving us a single platform, albeit in multiple different software configurations, that could provide the routing on site, the LAN switching on site, and the security that we needed. We looked at a number of other integrators, and what stood out about Imtech was firstly, their ability to deliver us the technologies we were looking for that we felt were best in class, particularly from Juniper Networks and from Zone. And then coupled with that, their technical experience and capability to support those products and give us design expertise around them. We were looking for somebody that could bring us the best-in-class technology as well as the expertise to go with it. And our relationship with Imtech's been really successful and collaborative in that regard. They're a huge organisation with massive backing behind them, but at the same time, at a local level, it's a small team that's really prepared to work hand in glove with us. And the fact that we're delivering a project on time, on budget, at 4 schools a day at the moment is evidence of that successful partnership. I think anybody that's looking for an organisation that can bring them access to best-in-class technology and experience to back that up would be in a very good place if they went and spoke to Imtech ICT.